Hey folks, is VLC giving you the blues with those pesky crashes? Don't fret, because I'm here to help. In this quick guide, we'll tackle those crashes and get your VLC running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Disable the hardware decoding beast. Go ahead and fire up VLC Media Player. Up at the top, click on Tools. From the menu that pops up, choose Preferences. Now find the tab labeled Input Codecs. Look for Hardware Accelerated Decoding and check it to disable using the drop-down menu. Finally, click on Save and see if VLC behaves better now. Solution 2. Increasing the file caching power. Open up your trusty VLC Media Player, click on Tools at the top, just like we did before. From the menu, choose Preferences. Now make sure the AI checkbox is ticked. Now make sure that the All checkbox is ticked. Click on Input/Codecs from the menu on the left. Scroll all the way down until you find the file caching option. Try increasing the value to 2500 or even higher. Click on Save and see if VLC plays videos smoothly now. And there you have it. With any luck, one of these solutions should put an end to those VLC crashes. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.